Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be building a unique step for the co-op for a fuel, where they put fuel in their fuel truck. It's a big metal stand. Well, the new fuel truck they got doesn't have a step on it. Yeah, that's right, doesn't have a step on it. And so I'm building a step onto the metal stand deal they have that's gonna swivel out. That way they can step from the stand to the fuel truck, you know, to fill up the fuel truck. So I've come up with this design all in my head, and I'm doing what I like to call stove piping. In other words, I had to start cutting stuff before I could visualize it. This is partly because I don't have a CAD system, or I haven't taken the time to learn some type of CAD system, which I highly recommend. That way, before you ever cut anything, you can get a visualization of what you're doing. But anyway, this is kind of old school, small man, whatever you call it, one man show, you know, small business here we got going on, 3-car garage. And so anyway, it's essentially going to be 34 inches by 24 inches total, but then I'm going to come in 6 inches, which is what this is right here, for the first step, because I'm going to put a little step on there for them before you get to the main platform. That's actually 28 by 24 is what it'll end up being, that top section. But anyway, I've got some pieces cut out. I've got a couple more to cut, but before I cut, or let's see, I may cut one more, but then I'm going to tack this together and then start putting it together, and then we'll go install it. The good old smell of MIG wire, hard wire. Whoopsies, failure in design. I forgot to turn the camera on before I showed you this, but I just cut all these tacks because this needs to be back here. So this piece was too short. It's one of the hindrances, if you will, or one of the downfalls of not drawing it before you start building it. But we're good to go now. Got an 8-incher cut instead of a 6-incher. And yeah, got to tack it back together. Alright, so we're here on location. This is where the step is going to go, right here. There's our finished step down there. And so what I'm doing now is boxing in this piece of angle. I'm going to put a piece of plate here, a piece of plate here, because this is where my hinges are going to go. And that step's going to stick out just like it is now, but it's going to swing 90 degrees to where that step part is going to be sitting right here. So, but anyway, that's what I'm doing right now, is boxing this in so this is sturdier, rather than just hanging off of this one leg here. It's going to be hanging off of, you know, essentially a piece of 3 by 3/4 square tubing, essentially. All right, it's been a couple hours. Went and had some lunch. Got my hinge apparatus down there built, And now I just tacked these pieces of square tubing to the bottom of our step. You'll see more here shortly. And that's just to hold it up where it goes, centered in that boxed-in area that I just built down there. We'll get our hinge tacked on and do the old test swing, weld it out, and then build a latching deal. That way it doesn't swivel on them whenever they go to step on them. It stays out there where it's supposed to. That's what I got planned anyway. We'll see what happens. Okay, we got her staged. Should be in the center of that. I need to get down there and look at it from the ground. But this guy here will go right in here. The two tabs, these two tabs will weld on the step itself over here, and then the other three tabs right here will weld on that right here. Here's a view from the ground. I do have it lifted up more over here just a little bit. That way, because of the slop in the hinges, there's always a little bit of slop. Not always, but a lot of times there's a little bit of slop. So anyway, looks pretty good here. Now it's time to put our hinge on. All right, we've got our little latch welded on here with a piece of plate, extending it a little bit. Now I've got this piece tacked on and I've got it marked. The idea is it to go here and then pop right down in that hole. That's the idea. So we'll blow a hole and see how it works. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that there is a wrap. That fuel truck there will be parked right here in this pit, and this little step will reach up over that little roundness. You might be able to see don't know if you can see it on camera or not, but you can see where they've been stepping on the deal. That fuel truck doesn't have a walkway like on the back there, so that's why they wanted this. There it is. Job well done. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day. Don't forget to check out our two websites, AROSSWELDING.com and AROSSWELDING.school. And remember, learn something every day.